everyone. If you're looking for a great SUV with a sunroof, then check out this 2012 Ford Escape. I'm Alana here with Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color, lots of chrome in your grille. You've got these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below to illuminate your path with that Escape right there below your grille. And then looking at these wheels, they are 16-inch aluminum in that 5-spoke design. Lots of tread left on those tires, and this does have a V6 engine. Looking to your side mirrors, they are black, and they have those blind spot mirrors in the corner, so you can see easier into your blind spot. And then you do have keyless entry with a number keypad over on your driver's side. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats, super comfortable. And then looking at our steering wheel, you do have all of your cruise control settings, your media controls, and your hands-free voice communication controls on the front. Looking at your media center, that has that LCD display right there for all of your radio, clock, everything. And then down below you have your CD insert and then all of your buttons for your radio, your climate controls down below. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. And you have your aux port, USB, and a 12-volt right there. 2 cup holders in the middle, and then looking into your center console, this does have 2 layers. So that top layer can be removed, and then you also have a change organizer right there on the side. And then looking up, this does have that amazing sunroof, so lots of little light and air in this front seat. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you can fit 3 passengers back here comfortably, and you also have a 12-volt right there. These seats can also fold down, so if you want to have additional space in your trunk, you can just fold that forward a little bit. Looking up, this does have that roof rack up top. You have your flex fuel badging and your XLT badging over on the side. And then looking into the trunk, this has tons of room back here. I mean, just so much space in this trunk area. So yeah, very spacious SUV. Love that sunroof. And if you're looking for an SUV like this, you can visit us at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.